Hello, I'm Brandon Gorton with the CRM practice here at JourneyTEAM. We're excited that you have decided on one of the Dynamics 365 CRM Catalyst packages. We want to show you how to get started in Dynamics 365 for sales. No matter which Catalyst package you have selected, this will be applicable to you. Here you can see the navigation is much more simple compared to the out-of-the-box experience provided by the Sales Hub. We want you to focus on only those things that are absolutely mission critical. And we have provided a number of dashboards and access to those things that we want you to focus on. In this case, in our dashboards, it is set up to be focused on the number of activities per your opportunities and help you identify what you need to do to close more deals, whether this is progressing leads to an opportunity or converting an opportunity into a one deal. And you can see that we have a number of different dashboards included in the system that are improved over the out-of-the-box experience, based off of what we have done with our customers and generally what they ask of us. Also, you can still get to all of the same list views. So here's your active accounts. I can navigate here from the navigation, as well as I still have the opportunity where I can create new and edit records. So I can simply come in here, I can create a new opportunity, ABC Corporation, fill in the relevant information, and I can save this record. I can go back to my list view and I can see that that record has been created. I can also edit existing records. So I can go to Coho Winery, which is sample data provided by Microsoft, and I can come in here and I can say, actually, this is 138 Lancelot Drive. And so I still have all the same capabilities that I'm accustomed to as far as creating records, editing data, so on and so forth. What we're going to do is you can see that I have 5 activities that are due today on opportunities that I'm working. I'm going to open up an existing opportunity and I'm going to create a new task so that I can close that deal. Save the Music Foundation. When I open up this activity, I'm going to navigate to my timeline and I want to add a new task that I need to complete today for this deal. I have set the name of the task. I can enter in the description. Need to follow up with details for ABC. Going to update the due date to be today. I'm going to save and close. I'm going to go back to my dashboard and I can see that that task is now reflected as far as tasks and activities that I need to perform today that are going to help me close those deals. This is only the beginning. You are also going to be receiving communication from us with more Dynamics 365 sales tips and tricks. Remember to reach out to us with any questions you may have as you start learning how this powerful tool can help you achieve your business objectives. Thank you so much, and we will talk with you soon.